Welcome. In front of me is a ThinkPhone by Motorola, and today I'll show you how you can bypass the Google verification on this device. So before we get started, let's touch upon a couple of things. So number one, you can see the phone I have right here as locked. I know the pattern to it, but just to kind of clarify this, I'm mentioning this because we will need to set up a screen lock. So number one, this obviously uses a pattern. I can set up a pattern or PIN or password, doesn't really matter. I'll be selecting a pattern just because I find it quickest for me. So the pattern that I'll be using later on will be this pattern. And as you can see right now, it's telling me wrong pattern. So just to showing this right now, just so you don't think I'm trying to cheat the system here or something. So there we go, that's number one. So this will be the pattern that I'll be using. It's obviously not the pattern that works right now, but it will be later on. And moving on, another thing that we'll need is a internet connection, which I have already connected to my network, which you can see right here. There we go, as you can see, connected. So if you're at the very beginning of your setup, just simply progress through it till you get to the Wi-Fi connection page, connect to your network, and from there you can then select add new network. In SSID you can just type in whatever, just type any random letters, select them, select copy, and then choose this share icon right here, select messages, new message, again 2, just slap in any random numbers, voila, good enough. Let's confirm that, and then in message you're gonna type in youtube.com. Now you do need to start off with the World Wide Web crap, so there we go, and then type in youtube.com. Oh, actually I'm gonna put that to test. I'm gonna remove it just to test it. I know it still works. Okay, so never mind. That was apparently in a guide, a lie. I am basing this on a guide, so there we go. Now once you're in YouTube, which you just seen me click on the refresh button and then click on the image of YouTube. From here you want to select the account icon, settings, about, and then Google privacy policy. Accept and continue, and then no thanks. From here, right at the top, you want to navigate to HardReset.Info/bypass. Like this. From here, you're gonna scroll down to the last option, which is the Screen Lock Set Mini. Click on it. And like I said, you can choose pattern, PIN, password, it doesn't really matter. I find pattern to be the easiest one because we just need to select something. So I'm gonna be doing this one. Complexity of it doesn't matter. So just pick whatever is quickest for you. I'm gonna repeat this several times. As you can see, nothing happened the first time. So again, we're gonna select pattern. It gives me that the app keeps stopping. That's okay. We're gonna go back. Gonna tap on our Screen Lock Set Mini again, and we're gonna continue this. Nothing. Again. Again, nothing. There we go. So as you can see, it gives us this pop-up right here. I'm gonna select the yes, I'm in. Got it, and that's it. We have now replaced the lock screen that was previously the verification method with the one that we have just selected right now. Obviously, if you've chosen something like a PIN or password, that will also replace other methods. So if you had pattern, you selected PIN, it will now change to PIN. From here, we're just gonna back out and we're gonna now progress through the setup. Oops, not what I wanted. There we go. Now as you can see, there is our verify pattern, and like I mentioned before, the pattern that I used didn't work. Now let's try it. Boom, and we're going further. So from here, just finish up the setup. It really doesn't matter what you choose right now, because it is still recommended to perform a factory reset of the device through settings, which I'll show you where you can find that once I actually have access to my home screen. Again, it's telling me to verify my pattern, so again, same one. So as you can see, we have now access to home screen. From here, navigate to settings, scroll all the way down to system, reset options, erase all data, draw your, oops, that's not the pattern that I wanted, this one. I draw this pattern, and you're gonna select erase all data once again. This will then begin performing a factory reset of your device. It will take about a minute to finish up, and once it's finished, you will be disregard that. So yeah, once it's going to be finished, you'll be presented with the setup screen for the device. Now at that point, you can set up your device however you want. Now I'm not going to go through it on the video just because I don't want to waste your time. It's just a factory reset, nothing really complicated. So there we go. So this is how you basically bypass the Google verification on this device, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.